Kate, Duchess of Cambridge, appeared to pay tribute to the late Princess Diana as she walked the red carpet at the world premiere of No Time to Die yesterday. Kate joined Prince William, Prince Charles and Duchess of Cornwall Camilla for a glamorous evening at the Royals and attended the world premiere of the latest and most anticipated 007 film, which most recently starred with Daniel Craig as James Bond. Deep V neckline, architectural shoulder straps and a flowing train. This saucy dress seems to be a nod to what Princess Diana wore to another Bond premiere. It was suggested Diana very rarely wears anything haute couture for her outings in public, but only wears Chanel and other foreign designers. In 1985, the late Princess of Wales went to Leicester Square to see the premiere of the film A View to Kill. Another clear example of Kate taking fashion inspiration from the late Princess of Wales was her introduction during her October 2019 tour of Cambridge from Pakistan. Upon arrival at Nurkan Air Force Base in Pakistan, Kate wore a Diana that was selected by the same designer when he visited Pakistan in 1996. Another royal parallel was noted in September 2019, when Kate and William fired Prince George and Princess Charlotte for their son's first day of school at Thomas Battersea. Kate wore a pink floral dress very similar to Diana's in 1992, when she took Prince Harry to school. Kate isn't the only royal who is often inspired by Princess Diana when it comes to fashion. Diana's second daughter-in-law Meghan Markle recalls the style of the late Princess of Wales during her royal visit to Birkenhead in 2019, then paired red and purple, just like Diana did when she visited Hong Kong in 1989. Also for her first Trooping the Colour show, Meghan wore a pink strapless dress that was very similar to Diana's. Meghan is also known for bringing Diana's presence through accessories, as she did in New York last week, when she was seen with a Dior laddered light bag, the darling of Prince Harry's mother. Kate, Duchess of Cambridge, appeared to pay tribute to the late Princess Diana as she walked the red carpet at the No Time to Die world premiere yesterday. Kate joined Prince William, Prince Charles and Camilla, Duchess of Cornwall, for a glamorous evening at the Royal Albert Hall. The royals attended the world premiere of the latest and much anticipated 007 film The Last, to star Daniel Craig as James Bond. The Duchess stunned royal followers and A-listers at the event with a glittering gold Jenny Packham gown. The dress features a deep V neckline, architectural shoulder pads, and a flowing train. This bold dress appears to be a nod to the one worn by Princess Diana at another Bond premiere. It has been suggested that Diana very rarely wears anything, she mainly wears couture for her public outings. But she wears Chanel and other foreign designers exclusively. In 1985, the late Princess of Wales went to Leicester Square to attend the premiere of the film A View to Kill. For the event, the stylish royal wore a long-sleeved, off-the-shoulder gown. Like Kate's dress, Diana is presented in shimmering metallic fabric, a V neckline and a train. The main difference between the Duchess of Cambridge's Jenny Packham dress and Diana's Bruce Oldfield look is that there is no gown, which allows Kate's mother-in-law to show her back. This isn't the first time Kate has given a sweet nod to Princess Diana's iconic style during public outings. Most notably, the Duchess of Cambridge voiced Diana as she introduced the world to her two sons. After the birth of Prince George, she wore a baby blue polka dot dress similar to the one Diana wore on the steps of the Lindo wing of St Mary's Hospital in London after giving birth to Prince William. When William and Kate welcomed their second baby boy Louis, she wore a red dress with a wide white neckline clearly reminiscent of the outfit Princess Diana wore after Prince Harry's arrival. Kate has been spotted reminding of her mother-in-law also during a series of engagements. During an outing in Scotland in May, she wore a cobalt boxy blazer paired with a pleated mid-A skirt, paired with a pair of heels and a brown suede clutch. Princess Diana wore an almost identical outfit during her 1992 royal visit, but opted for blue shoes instead of brown. Another clear example of Kate taking inspiration from the late Princess of Wales, when it comes to fashion, was launched during the Cambridge's tour of Pakistan in October 2019. And arriving at Pakistan Air Force Base Nur Khan, Kate wore a Diana that had been chosen by the same designer when she visited Pakistan in 1996. Yet another parallel between the royals was noticed in September 2019, when Kate and William saw off Prince George and Princess Charlotte at Thomas Battersea for the child's first day of school. Kate wore a pink floral dress very similar to the one Diana wore in 1992, when she took Prince Harry to school. Kate isn't the only royal who often draws inspiration from Princess Diana when it comes to fashion. Diana's second daughter-in-law Meghan Markle recalls the style of the late Princess of Wales during her royal visit to Birkenhead in 2019. Then she combined red and purple, just like Diana did in 1989 during a visit to Hong Kong. Furthermore, for her first Trooping the Colour parade, Meghan wore a pink off-the-shoulder dress very similar to the one worn by Diana in 1987. Meghan is also known for evoking Diana's presence through accessories, as she did while in New York last week, when she was spotted with a Dior Lady D light bag, a Prince Harry's mother's favourite. After learning this information, there are opinions that why bother with all those comparisons unless controversial? Catherine looks amazingly beautiful and elegant. She is gorgeous in her own right as an individual. That's all that needs to be said, really. A story without, once again, making money from the dead princess in a crude and disrespectful manner. Comparing with Diana is enough. There are only so many styles of clothes, especially for tall, slim women. Catherine is not like Diana. She is a mature, caring, supportive woman with strong family ties. Diana is a lifelong girl with no family ties. Meghan was more like Diana, always focusing attention on herself. I doubt Kate is trying to copy Di in any of her clothing choices. I think people read too much into this nonsense. Kate looks stunning and happily married to William, which is more than can be said of Di. When Diana was pictured with Charles, she either looked miserable or kept upstaging her husband. Don't confuse me as being a Diana fan. I'm not at the altar of Saint Diana. She made very poor decisions. However, this article is about style with regard to clothes, and in that respect, self-styled or help-styled, I think she had style. The rest should remain in the past. So what do you think? Please comment below this video. Subscribe to the channel for more important new information.